In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to record a paycheck manually, one simple way to do it is by using a journal entry. This method is helpful when the paycheck was processed outside of QuickBooks, but you still want your books to reflect the payroll activity accurately. The key is to make sure the amounts you enter match the payroll information you already have, such as a payroll report or a pay stub. Before creating the journal entry, take a moment to confirm that your tracking accounts are already set up in your chart of accounts. This is important because payroll needs to be split properly between expense accounts and liability accounts. For example, you'll typically want accounts for payroll expenses, along with payroll liabilities for deductions or amounts that still need to be remitted. Having these accounts ready first makes the entry much cleaner and helps keep your reporting organized. Once that's in place, go to the plus new button in QuickBooks Online and choose Journal Entry. This opens the screen where you'll manually record the paycheck activity. From here, enter the paycheck date exactly as it appears on the payroll report or pay stub. Using the correct date helps keep your payroll records aligned with the correct reporting period. Next, enter the paycheck amount and the relevant employee deductions using the information from your payroll report or stub. This part is where accuracy matters most. You want the journal entry to reflect what was actually paid, as well as any deductions that were taken out. Those deductions may affect your payroll liability balances, so it's a good idea to review each amount carefully before saving anything. As you enter the details, make sure the amounts are being assigned to the appropriate payroll expense and payroll liability accounts. This ensures your financial statements show payroll correctly, and it also makes reconciliation much easier later on. If you're unsure about which amounts belong in which account, it's best to pause and verify them against your existing payroll setup or accounting process. Once everything matches your payroll documentation, review the journal entry one more time for accuracy. Double-check the date, amounts, and account selections so the paycheck is recorded properly in QuickBooks Online. That's how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online using a journal entry. Done carefully, this gives you a clean and reliable way to reflect payroll activity in your books.